Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at FTX Exchange. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy FTT, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. The FTX cryptocurrency exchange offers a variety of the most commonly traded crypto products, including futures, leveraged tokens, and fiat currencies, as well as a range of volatility markets, prediction markets, and spot metals. Not only is FTX a thriving crypto exchange, but it also has a NFT marketplace, with other 1,000 unique collectibles that can be bought using USD. The FTX Pro mobile application can be used to trade all products offered on the exchange, and it can also be used to make donations to the charities supported by FTX. This exchange aims to overcome some of the most common issues faced by other derivatives exchanges to improve the user's experience. And in an effort to give back to the world, FTX has donated over $10 million to charities globally, including Effective Altruism, BVOL, the Human League, and OpenAI. So who created FTX Exchange? The FTX Exchange was founded in 2018 by Sam Bankman-Fried, an MIT physics graduate and former Jane Street Capital International ETF trader. He is also the founder of Alameda Research, which is a crypto trading firm that was launched in 2017 and operates as the market maker for the FTX Exchange. FTX was created for all types of traders, including institutional firms and professionals. And high-volume traders can use the OTC or over-the-counter portal any time of the day. Clients can also build and share trading strategies using the FTX Quaint Zone, which allows the creation of a predefined set of conditions called Quaint Zone Rules to instruct orders on an FTX account. For crypto traders who are new to this platform, FTX provides articles, user manuals, and tutorials on how to use the exchange and the mobile application loaded with trading tools and features. FTX offers an exclusive VIP account for professional traders, which has lower trading fees, dedicated account managers, flexible API limits, direct access to senior developers, and the option to provide input and feedback on new FTX products. The products available on the FTX exchange include futures, options, leveraged tokens, move contracts, BVOL tokens, and volatility products, as well as prediction markets and stop markets. The FTT token is the native ERC20 utility token used on the FTX cryptocurrency exchange. It is a tradable asset that can be bought and sold on exchanges. It can be used as collateral for futures trading, and it significantly reduces trading fees on the exchange. It can also be staked to earn interest, which gives users a chance to win unique NFTs. The FTT token can be traded in spot markets, or it can be purchased on popular exchanges such as Binance, Huobi, CoinX, and the FTX Exchange using fiat currencies. After the account has been created with your preferred exchange, the account can be funded so that a token can be purchased. It is recommended that the tokens should be transferred to a secure crypto wallet to ensure true ownership of the digital assets. Some of the most secure wallets that can be used to store FTT tokens include the Lumi wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet, offers premium security, privacy, and is open source. This wallet was designed to be simple, secure, and to protect your privacy. The Coinbase software wallet provides multi-currency support and allows you to easily generate more wallets for different cryptocurrencies. You can send crypto payments via the app and store your keys on Google Drive. And lastly, the Validity wallet, or previously known as Radium Core, is secure, validated, and powered by Validity Proof of Stake. The Validity platform is eco-friendly, power-efficient, and is completely open source. So what do we like about FTX Exchange? The FTX Exchange offers everything to crypto enthusiasts, from derivatives and leveraged tokens to NFTs and unique collectibles. Not only does FTX have a thriving ecosystem, but this company is also committed to making the world a better place by donating a great deal of profits to charities around the world. As opposed to trading with forex brokers, derivatives and cryptocurrencies may be more intimidating and unfamiliar for newer traders. Which is why FTX assists new clients by providing a user-friendly mobile application and a variety of instructional tutorials and information. FTX is backed by its market maker and liquidity provider, Alameda Research. And using a centralized exchange for cryptocurrencies might be the better option for traders who are not experienced with peer-to-peer trading, or who are interested in trying a new platform within a controlled environment. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of FTX Exchange. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.